Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Neha and I make videos on makeup, skincare, reviews and hauls. Today I'm gonna share my top 3 lip shades that I love the most. If you are interested to watch, let's dive into the video. Okay, सबसे पहले है Kiro की Nutmeg Nude. The formula is so creamy and glides so effortlessly. It has rich warm nude tone, just right balance of brown and peach undertone. ये वाला शेड हर ब्राउन स्किन टोन पे बहुत ही ब्यूटीफुल लगता है. I use this color every single day. Next है हमारे पास L'Oreal Paris की 120 shade Major Crush. It is ultimate blend of pink and red with berry undertone. Glides so smoothly, creamy texture, gives full coverage. It has velvety finish, suits every Indian skin tone. It's a bold, beautiful and versatile shade. Perfect for everyday or any occasion. So lightweight and super comfortable. Yes, it is also transfer proof. And lastly, we have Maybelline New York in the shade More Buff. It's a stunning warm nude with beige undertone. It has creamy texture. The formula is so lightweight and comfortable, giving polished and sophisticated look. This is just my lips but better for sure. It's my everyday go-to color. I love this shade. This one is a must-have shade. So, if you like this, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel for more beauty updates. Till then, bye.